Hello and welcome to the demonstration of the 5th grade website. So first we want to show you how to get to our website, and to do that we're going to go to the interwebs. We're going to find the Edina Public Schools homepage, and we're going to go to Choose Your School, Normandale Elementary, Academics, and then we're going to scroll down to grade 5 and click on website. Any of these links will take you to the same website. We have a one-stop shop this year, and all of the links that your 5th grader needs to be successful in 5th grade are found on this site. So one of the important ones is homework. If we click on homework, we'll see the homework list, which is updated online every Tuesday, and it will show the homework that is due on a daily basis from Wednesday to Wednesday. So for example, if SLM page 21 is typed next to Wednesday 9/11, we know that this homework page is due on this day. And we also want to let you know that the Everyday Math website, if your student is hyperlinked here, and so if your student ever forgets their math journal at school or is momentarily misplaced it, they can go to this site and print out the homework pages, and that way they can turn in their homework on time. Also, if we send home a paper copy, a hard copy, like we did with the practice test for Unit 1, in case that might get misplaced, we linked it here on the website so that the students can go and print it and make sure it gets turned in on time. If students forget their homework, we'll send them to this link and we'll ask them to follow these steps so that you get an email and can help them remember to bring their homework the next day. The Friday update is also linked on our site, as is the volunteer sign-up. We'd love for you to go to the volunteer sign-up and volunteer to chaperone field trips, class parties, and the end of the year recognition. Don't forget you need to do a background check before you're able to volunteer, and you can go to the Normandale website to find that information. Come conference time, you can also sign up for a conference here with your student's homeroom teacher. And there are other links that you're welcome to explore, and you can always let us know if you have any questions. Great, thanks so much.